What if humans possessed two reproductive systems instead of one? This thought-provoking scenario invites a comprehensive exploration of its implications across various dimensions of human existence. Firstly, let us consider the biological impact of having two reproductive systems. The presence of dual systems could significantly alter human physiology. Increased fertility rates might emerge, as individuals could potentially conceive more frequently. This raises intriguing questions about reproductive health and the hormonal balance required to manage two systems effectively. Would the human body adapt to regulate hormones differently? The complexities of such a system could lead to a greater incidence of multiple births, such as twins or triplets. Moreover, the implications for gestation periods could be profound. Would the duration of pregnancy change? If two systems were functioning simultaneously, could it lead to shorter gestation periods, or would the body require more time to accommodate the development of multiple embryos? The potential for increased reproductive output could also place additional demands on maternal health, necessitating advancements in prenatal care and nutrition. Next, we must examine the possible evolutionary changes that could arise from this scenario. Evolution is driven by adaptation to environmental pressures, and the existence of dual reproductive systems might lead to diverse reproductive strategies. In environments where resources are scarce, individuals with two systems might develop the ability to reproduce at different times, thereby ensuring the survival of their genetic material. This could result in a more varied genetic pool, fostering resilience against diseases and environmental changes. Furthermore, the evolutionary implications could extend to social structures. With increased fertility, population dynamics would shift. Societies might need to adapt to manage larger populations, leading to changes in resource allocation, urban planning, and social services. Would communities become more cooperative, sharing resources to support larger families? Alternatively, could competition for resources intensify, leading to social stratification based on reproductive capabilities? In terms of health risks, the existence of additional reproductive systems could introduce new challenges. The complexity of managing two systems might increase the likelihood of complications, such as infections or cancers. For instance, the risk of developing conditions like ovarian or testicular cancer could rise, necessitating more frequent medical checkups and screenings. The healthcare system would need to adapt to these new realities, potentially leading to advancements in medical technology and treatment options. Moreover, the psychological impact of having two reproductive systems cannot be overlooked. Individuals might experience heightened anxiety regarding their reproductive health, leading to increased demand for mental health support. The societal pressure to utilize both systems effectively could create stress and affect personal relationships. Socially and culturally, the implications of dual reproductive systems could be profound. The concept of family and relationships might undergo significant transformations. Would polyamorous relationships become more commonplace as individuals navigate the complexities of dual systems? The traditional notions of monogamy could be challenged, leading to a re-evaluation of partnership dynamics. Additionally, the role of gender in society might shift dramatically. With two reproductive systems, the binary understanding of male and female could become more fluid. This could foster greater acceptance of diverse gender identities and expressions, as individuals may identify with aspects of both systems. The conversation surrounding gender roles would likely evolve, encouraging a more inclusive dialogue about identity and societal expectations. Philosophically, the existence of dual reproductive systems raises profound questions about the nature of humanity. Would having two systems alter our understanding of what it means to be human? The concept of reproduction is deeply intertwined with identity, and this change could lead to a re-evaluation of how individuals perceive themselves and their roles in society. Moreover, ethical considerations would emerge regarding reproductive rights and choices. Would individuals feel compelled to utilize both systems? How would society navigate the complexities of consent and autonomy in reproductive decisions? These questions would necessitate robust discussions about ethics, rights, and responsibilities. In conclusion, the thought experiment of humans possessing two reproductive systems opens a multitude of avenues for exploration. From biological impacts and evolutionary changes to health risks and social consequences, the implications are vast and complex. The philosophical reflections on identity and humanity further enrich this discussion, inviting individuals to engage in meaningful dialogue about the future of human existence. Engaging with this hypothetical scenario encourages critical thinking about the nature of reproduction, identity, and societal norms. What are the potential benefits and challenges of such a reality? How would individuals and societies adapt to these changes? This thought-provoking exploration invites a deeper understanding of what it means to be human in an ever-evolving world. What are your thoughts on this intriguing possibility? Join the conversation and share your insights on how dual reproductive systems could reshape humanity. In the end, two reproductive systems might give us more power, but also more problems than we could ever imagine. So tell us, if it happened, would it be a gift or a curse?